Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be learning about the properties of exponents, or more commonly known as the laws of exponents. Let's begin with the product rule, which is over here. This rule signifies that whenever two variables or numbers are have an exponent of a variable or a number, this will result in the variables adding. Next up, we have the power rule. As we already know, unless there is something going on over here, being multiplied or added or what so, if there is a number here, we will automatically distribute it to the parentheses. As you probably seen in my pandas episode, parentheses always go first. So, if there is something going on in the parentheses, make sure to do this first. So logically, since x and y, the exponents will multiply, it'll result in n to the power of xy. Over here, although in the last problem, I just explained that unless there is something going on over here, but since there is already something going on, even though you have to do what's in here first, if there's a variable in here, if there's a number, since you know the number, you do it, but since we don't know what nm and m equals, we will distribute x to these numbers. So n to the power x times m to the power of x. Next, we have the zero rule, or the zero exponent rule. This signifies that when anything, even a negative number or a decimal, has an exponent of 0, it will be 1. Next, we have -1 in the exponent. And when there is a negative number as an exponent, it will be the number. Over here I have 1, so there will be a 1 here, but it will change based on the number divided by the base number, this one. Next, as you've already learned over here that when you're multiplying variables with exponents, the exponents add up, let's see what you think will happen if they will divide instead. Correct. The exponents will subtract, since division is the opposite of multiplication. Finally, we have the power of a quotient rule. This signifies that whenever there is something over here and a fraction inside parentheses, this should be an exponent. I don't know why I draw it so low, but it will be an exponent for both the numerator and the denominator, as shows here. And lastly, when anything is to the power of 1, similar to the zero rule, it will remain the same. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.